Here's a script tailored for your YouTube channel FK iPhone, covering the 2025 Nokia N10 in around 600 words, Welcome to FK iPhone, where we talk about everything other than overpriced fruit phones. Today, we're diving into the latest release from Nokia, the 2025 Nokia N10. Yes, Nokia is back again, and this time they've packed some serious tech and design upgrades that might actually turn some heads in the smartphone crowd. Let's start with what's under the hood. The Nokia N10 comes equipped with the next-gen Snapdragon chip, delivering fast performance without draining your battery like crazy. This phone handles multitasking smoothly, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just flipping between 10 apps at once. Nokia's added their clean Android experience with zero bloatware, which keeps the device snappy and clutter-free. It supports 5G, of course, and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity ensures fast downloads and lag-free streaming wherever you go. One of the standout features here is the display. Nokia has gone with a 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with super vibrant colors and an adaptive refresh rate. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just scrolling through your feed, everything looks sharp and fluid. The display is bright enough for outdoor use and also tuned to be easy on the eyes during long screen time. The camera setup on the N10 is impressive for a Nokia phone. You get a triple lens system with a high-res main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a dedicated depth sensor. It delivers crisp and color-accurate shots, even in low light, thanks to Nokia's new AI image processing. Video recording is stable and supports ultra-high definition at high frame rates, giving content creators a decent tool to work with. The front camera isn't forgotten either, giving you clean and clear selfies, plus solid video call quality. Battery life on the Nokia N10 is one of its strongest points. It's packing a big battery that easily lasts a day and a half on regular use. Fast charging gets you back to full power quickly, and there's even wireless charging support now. Nokia also claims the battery will hold its health better over time, which is great news for long-term users. Now let's talk design. Nokia has always been known for making solid phones, and the N10 keeps that legacy going. The build quality feels premium with a metal and glass finish, rounded edges, and a minimalist look. It comes in a few color options that all look classy and professional. The back has a subtle matte texture that resists fingerprints and keeps it looking fresh. Buttons feel clicky, and there's even a headphone jack, which many brands have abandoned. Yes, it still exists. On the software side, you get the latest Android version with a promise of 3 years of major updates and 4 years of security patches. That's something only a few brands are offering. There's also a strong focus on privacy, with minimal pre-installed apps and full control over data permissions. So what's the verdict on the Nokia N10? Well, this is definitely not the Nokia from a decade ago. The N10 is modern, fast, reliable, and actually stylish. It may not have the marketing power of the big names, but it's a solid all-rounder that delivers great value. Whether you're looking for a daily driver that performs well, takes good pictures, lasts long, and still looks good doing it, the N10 deserves a spot on your list. That's all for today on FK iPhone. Let us know what you think about the Nokia N10 in the comments below. Would you switch from your current phone to this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more no-nonsense tech reviews. Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want a version in a more casual or humorous tone, or with visuals mapped out.